The next part of the section is on systems of linear inequalities. So this is where two inequalities are graphed at the same time, and the solution is the region where both shadings occur, or the intersection of the shadings. So we have an example here. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 6, and y is less than or equal to x plus 3. So y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 6 is graphed in blue, while y is less than or equal to x plus 3 is graphed in red. So the solution is the region where both shades occur, or it's the purple region. So it has to be the intersection of the shadings. And then when we're writing our answer on our paper, we only need to shade the region where both shadings occur. So we no longer need to shade in this or this region. Okay, so the point 8.2 is a solution to the system of linear inequalities. And this is because it works in both original inequalities. The point 1.9 is not a solution to the system of linear inequalities. It only works in y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 6, which is the blue region. It does not work in y is less than or equal to x plus 3, or the red region. And then the point negative 3, negative 4 is not a solution to the system of linear inequalities. It only works in y is less than or equal to x plus 3, the red region. It does not work in y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 6, the blue region. On question number 7, it wants us to graph the solution set of each system of inequalities. So we have two inequalities here, and we need to graph them both. So my first step is to isolate for y in both of these. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and then I need to divide both sides by negative 1. And this is actually where the rule applies that you need to flip the inequality sign. So this is going to be y and x and a minus 4, but it's not going to be greater than or equal to, it's going to be less than or equal to. So this is one of my inequalities. The other inequality, I need to subtract x from both sides, and we get y is less than or equal to negative x plus 6. So the first one is going to be shading below, and the second one is also going to be shading below. I'm ready to type these in on the calculator. So I want to go to the y equals menu and then type in x minus 4 for y1 and negative x plus 6 for y2. Then I want to move the cursor all the way to the left onto the line symbol, and I want to change both of these line symbols to the lower triangle because they're both less than, and I'm trying to shade below both of these. So then if I press graph, I can see my graph, and we can see that the intersection of the shadings happens right here. So let's show this on our graph. This one crossed at negative 4 and 4. And then the other one crossed at 6 and 6. and the intersection of the shadings was right here. And that will be our answer.